shawls are only worn during ritual ceremonies. It is to be worn during the folk dance performance. Malao. It is a traditional piece of cloth that covers the bottom of man. No other type of clothes are allowed to be worn in the folk dance except Malao. Louis Saint, black anklet. This anklet is worn for light and easy movement of the feet. Ring ring sao sao. It is a bell worn on the leg, stitched on with tiny bell. Wearing this makes the sound of the dance more melodious. All the 12 folk dancers have their own different melodies and all have their own different meanings. The particular leader or pure core of the folk dance is passed down or inherited from generation to generation. Whenever they are invited to perform at a particular ceremony, meat is cooked for the leader. 400 pieces of meat that is cooked are also shared amongst the dance troops. Appreciations are also shown to them by giving money or kinds. According to the custom, folk dances cannot be performed without slaughtering an animal. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Tusom Ketanawang for you.
such beautiful